Maxville. We are in Maxville. Maxville. Oh, is that all? Nambuca River. Did we? No, not yet. We haven't been here, yeah, babe? Nambuca, so it's here yung Nambuca.
There's a free camp just over there in that Lions Park. But it's not very big.
Yeah. But there's no people.
Oh, yes, there are.
That one?
Yep. Just near there.
There's a hospital here. Camera.
Now we're going beside the Nambucca River.
Population is 7,000. Maxville Hospital. Ganda naman yung house doon.
That's not a good advertisement for a hospital, is it? Funerals.
Grafton. Chesterfield. Revive, survive? No? Okay. Maxville. That's it. We just passed Maxville. 7,000
A lot of fish around here.
yeah, 7,000 population.
Okay, there's the motorway.
And they have a hospital.